Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most futuristic and talked about electric trucks on the road right now. In this quick 5-minute overview, we're going to check out the exterior design, step inside the interior, and talk about performance and pricing so you know exactly what this electric pickup is all about. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Cybertruck is that it still looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla has kept the sharp, angular design that made headlines worldwide. Instead of traditional curved body panels, you get flat geometric surfaces and a bold triangular silhouette. The body is made from ultra-hard stainless steel, giving it a strong, industrial feel. Tesla designed this exoskeleton to be highly durable and resistant to dents and corrosion, which makes it stand out from conventional aluminum or steel trucks. At the front, there's a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the nose, giving the Cybertruck a clean and aggressive look, especially at night. There's no traditional grille because, of course, it's fully electric. The windshield is large and steeply angled, flowing smoothly into the roofline. From the side profile, the truck looks massive and bold, riding on large wheels that enhance its off-road presence. One of the key exterior features is the adaptive air suspension. The 2026 model can raise itself for better ground clearance when you're off-roading, and lower itself at highway speeds to improve aerodynamics and efficiency. Around the back, you'll see another full-width LED light bar and the signature angular tailgate. The truck bed, which Tesla calls the Vault, offers generous cargo space and includes a powered tonneau cover that slides closed for secure storage. Whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or everyday cargo, it's designed to be practical as well as futuristic. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Cybertruck follows Tesla's minimalist philosophy. The cabin is clean, modern, and very tech-focused. The centerpiece is a large 18.5-inch central touchscreen that controls almost everything: navigation, climate settings, entertainment, and vehicle functions. There are very few physical buttons, which gives the dashboard a sleek and uncluttered appearance. The steering wheel has a squared-off, almost yoke-like design, adding to the futuristic feel. The materials inside are simple but premium, with durable upholstery designed to handle everyday use. The cabin seats 5 adults comfortably, with plenty of headroom and legroom thanks to the flat floor made possible by the electric platform. Rear passengers also get thoughtful features, including their own display screen in higher trims, allowing them to control media and climate settings. There's generous storage throughout the cabin, including a large center console and additional compartments. The panoramic glass roof makes the interior feel open and airy, bringing in plenty of natural light. When it comes to technology, the Cybertruck includes Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, commonly known as autopilot, with optional full self-driving capability depending on the package you choose. Over-the-air software updates keep improving features over time, which is one of Tesla's biggest advantages compared to traditional automakers. Now let's talk performance and price. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is offered in multiple configurations. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers strong performance with impressive torque and quick acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. The high-performance Cyberbeast version, equipped with 3 motors, pushes things even further with supercar-level acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Range varies depending on the trim, but you can expect roughly 300 to over 320 miles on a full charge for most configurations. Thanks to Tesla's fast-charging network, you can recharge quickly at supercharger stations, making long road trips much more convenient. Towing capacity is also impressive for an electric truck, reaching up to around 11,000 pounds depending on the configuration, making it capable of handling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. As for pricing, the 2026 Cybertruck starts at approximately $80,000 for the dual-motor all-wheel drive version. The high-performance Cyberbeast trim comes in at around $115,000, depending on options and upgrades. Final pricing may vary based on location, taxes, and additional features, but this gives you a solid idea of where it stands in the electric truck market. Overall, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is bold, unconventional, and packed with technology. It combines futuristic design with strong performance, practical utility, and the benefits of electric driving. Whether you love its sharp angles or find the design controversial, there's no denying that it makes a statement everywhere it goes. That's it for this quick first look at the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck. Let me know what you think. Would you drive one? Or is it too futuristic for your taste? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.